Hey guys, today I'm showing you the Faster Way Fit Kit 2.0. This is our second generation of the Faster Way Fit Kit, and I'm going to do my unboxing. I actually got this last week, but just was so busy just now getting to unbox it. So let's see what's inside. All right, I'm going to actually set it right here next to me so I can get it opened up. Okay, so each Faster Way Fit Kit comes with this card, and you just hold your phone, your camera up to it, the QR code, and that's gonna pull up the Faster Way website, and it's gonna tell you all the details about what is inside your Fit Kit. So these Fit Kits are gonna be coming out quarterly, and just so you can see here what it looks like, all very branded and curated, especially for our Faster Way clients. But if you're not a Faster Way client, listen up, because I've got some really cool things in here. It's a great introduction to the Faster Way that I think you're gonna really enjoy. So the first thing, there's always some Faster Way swag, some clothing. This was in, by the way, Faster Kit 1.0 was this hoodie, and in the Faster Way Kit 2.0, it is this slouchy tee right here. And I think this is going to be a fun giveaway for one of my Faster Way clients. It's going to be receiving this very soon. And then it's got a lot of like kitchen kind of things. So this is actually Amanda Trust's favorite kitchen tool. I love this. I've actually never seen this before, and I eat bananas all the time. You know, in the Faster Way, we love our carbs. So this is a banana slicer. Can you see that? And I'm gonna be using this because it's Wednesday, and I always do my carb reloading day on Wednesdays, and I love to do oatmeal with sliced bananas and some peanut butter mixed into the oatmeal. So definitely gonna be trying this out soon. This one's staying with me. Speaking of nut butter, there is some Justin's almond butter in here. This is awesome. You can find this at any retailer, but this 2 sample packets of it. So love that. And then you've also got some packets of cinnamon seasonings, about 4 of those in there, and some Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt's a superfood, you guys. Did you know that? Table salt is out. You want to use some good quality salt when you're seasoning your food. Not only that, you can use this to make your own mineral water, which is very nice. You can use it as a bath soak as well, as a detoxing bath soak. So these are Himalayan pink salts. And then let's get to what is the most exciting part of the Fit Kit, which is, first of all, a 15-minute health coach meeting. It's a virtual health coaching session with one of our Faster Way head trainers or health coaches. So this is something that you don't have to be a Faster Way client to get, but if you are a Faster Way client, you can use this. Our health coaches are amazing. I've sent so many of my VIP clients to a health coach, and they have had tremendous feedback to give me about that conversation and just some extra higher level strategies that they're starting to work on now. So highly recommend that. So that comes with your Faster Way Fit Kit 2.0. And then also this fantastic workout equipment. This month or this quarter, it's all about bands, resistance bands. The Fit Kit comes with a Bootie Band like this. Love this kind of apparatus, tool, whatever you call it, to use when you are trying to activate glutes and legs. This is a great thing to add on to a regular leg day workout or just do a band workout. So if you are not a part of the Faster Way, you can still get some amazing workouts with this. If you're not sure what to do with it, don't fear, because the Fit Kit actually comes with free workouts. So when you use that QR code with your phone and you can get the workouts, it's going to show you how to download those workouts. It's going to be on an app, super easy to use, and you're going to get free workouts with this Fit Kit. So the Bootie Band is one. And then you're gonna get the mini bands. I love working out with mini bands. By the way, if you travel, it's such a fantastic thing to bring along with you because they take up no space. So the mini bands, you get 3, a light, medium, and heavy mini band. Mini bands, again, you're gonna get free workouts on the Faster Way app. If you are a Faster Way client, these are gonna be already on your app if you bought the Fit Kit. And if you're not a member of the Faster Way and you buy the Fit Kit, you're still gonna get access to these free workouts in the app. Okay, and then the best are the resistance bands in this super handy tote, which I love. And here are the resistance bands. Now again, if you've never worked out with resistance bands, you are in for an amazing workout. And again, of course, I have mine all tangled up. Let me untangle these for you. Okay. So this is what one resistance band would look like. And then you would just clip this into the handles that it comes with, that of course I just dropped on the floor. Pull that up. So you just clip these in. And then what's really handy about it too, so here you go. It has a door anchor, so you can do a lot of really cool work. If you're working out at home, this adds just some extra things that you can do in your workouts. So this is something that you would anchor at the bottom or top of a door frame. And you have, again, 3 different types of resistance with your, that come with the bands. So your resistance bands, your mini bands, and your booty bands, and you wouldn't need all these dumbbells that I have lined up over here. You can get amazing workouts with just those. So you guys, the Fit Kit is, you get a lot for your money. You get way more bang for your buck. All the exercise equipment, this Faster Way swag, the kitchen tool, the snacks, the samples, and then the free health coaching conversation. That meeting is 15 minutes free. That is well over $100, or worth over $100. Plus then you get those free workouts. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. I'd be glad to talk it through with you. But if you are not a member of the Faster Way, I think this is a great introduction for you. It might be something, even just talking with a health coach, or if you are a Faster Way client of mine, grab your free 15-minute health conversation with one of those coaches too. So get some advanced training going. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and can't wait to get the next one. It'll be in a few months.